Hi, welcome back. On this channel earlier, I've done a couple of videos regarding k8sGPT, which is a diagnosis tool or a scanner for Kubernetes, and it uses the large language models or LLM to triage the issues. While diagnosing, it can look at issues in the Kubernetes cluster and it can give suggestions as well as recommendations in very simple English for the people to understand how the issue occurred or what is the root cause of the issue and how to fix that issue. Now, all these videos that I've done in the past, they were recorded on Mac OS. k8sGPT also has support for Windows operating system. While on Mac, it is very easy to set up k8sGPT because there is a package which is available as part of Homebrew, and using the brew install command, it's like a one-line statement to install and set up k8sGPT. Whereas on Windows, it's a slightly involved process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use k8sGPT on a Windows operating system. So let's get started. If you head over to the k8sGPT's GitHub page and look at how to install k8sGPT, there is this option of installing for different operating systems, and specifically for Windows. It tells us to download the latest Windows binary from k8sGPT releases and then set it up on our system. So when I open that release page, 0.3.40 is the latest release, and under the assets, we can look for the specific version of the Windows. Now I am on x64, on the processor version, which is available here as k8sGPT underscore Windows x86 x64 or x86 underscore 64.zip. So this is the file which is 24 MB in size. We need to download. This will get downloaded to one of the location, like usually under the downloads folder, and then we need to extract the contents of that particular folder. So let me just open the downloads folder here and let's look at the contents. Under downloads, we have the zip file k8sGPT. We can extract it to some location. In my case, usually the custom tools, I extract them to this C tools directory, and under that you can see the k8sGPT folder where I've already extracted the contents of this particular zip file. Once we have extracted the contents of this zip file, we need to add it to the path of our environment variables. Under the environment variables, we have the path variable. So let's open the environment variable settings or edit the system environment variables. And when we click on this environment variables link, we will see the user variables and there is the system variables. So we can add it to one of these. Since this is more of a user level setting, I will go and edit the existing path, and in this I'm going to create a new one. So under the new, I can paste the path of that k8sGPT folder which is under the C tools directory and say OK. Once we have this, we can apply this particular environment settings or confirm the environment settings, and then on the terminal where I'm using Windows terminal, we need to refresh the environment. There is this refresh env command in PowerShell which refreshes the existing or the current shell with the latest environment variables. Now if I run k8sGPT, it is showing that k8sGPT is not recognized. Maybe we still need to open the terminal again. Let's go ahead and do that. I will run this as administrator and let's say yes. So once the profile is loaded, then I can say k8sGPT, and here it will show us the top level commands, which is analyze, auth, cache, completion, filters, generate, etc. And once this is available in our path, then we can go ahead and run all these commands. I've done a video in the past to show how to configure Azure OpenAI as the backend for k8sGPT as well as the local AI using Olama and Llama 3.1 as the model running locally on the computer. You can watch both of those videos if you want to understand how to configure the backend and how to use k8sGPT with your Kubernetes cluster. I think with this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell icon so that you get notified when the new updates are published on the YouTube channel. Do let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see on this channel, either related to k8sGPT or any other topic. Thanks for watching this. Until next time, code with passion and strive for excellence. I'll see you in the next one.